Okay, so another aspect of membership engagement that I want to discuss is asynchronous video chat. So this community is inherently global, which means we have people across all time zones, and it's difficult to get everyone on one call. So even though I'll go for runs during the week and do some live Q&A, or some of you will unlock the moonlight calls, it doesn't mean that we could always get together and chat. And what I found the most intimate way to connect is still over video, but asynchronously, which means out of time with one another. I record a video, I share it with you. You watch it in your own time zone, you record a video, you share it with me, or you chat to reply. So I want to norm on a tool called Loom, which I hadn't learned about until I started using Skool, but it actually integrates really well. So Loom is web-based video recording. So you can use it on mobile, or you could use it on a desktop. And then you could basically record all these short videos. So this is an intro follow-up that I made with Jakub, who's a member of our community. Hopefully. And then you could play it. I run everything on like 1.5 speed. It gives you a transcript. If you're a reader, you could just quickly read the Loom. And then you could share the link and post that link within a DM. So if I were to go to members and wanted to chat with Jakub's great. He's been talking a lot about like different things I could do to get more engagement in our community, but then I can just drop a Loom link in here and he can see it. So I've sent him a couple. I'm going to try to do intros on Loom as much as possible. It is free to use to an extent. Based on how much I use it, I have to pay for it. If you only use it once in a while to make a connection with someone or with me, then it's a really great tool. And if you wanted to DM someone, like if I wanted to DM Jorge, and I wanted to give him a Loom message, I'm not going to actually do this, but let's just copy this link, go over to here, be like, hey, this is a test. Now I could just post it right here and it'll still work. If you want it to be a little bit cleaner, the other option you could do is click attach. Oops, not what I want at all. I'm used to using mobile. Okay, I guess you just type it there and then it would Loom. But I'm not going to send it to Jorge because this is a message to someone else. But that's kind of the idea, is that you could do these quick little personalized asynchronous videos, and that will allow us to engage with one another a little bit more intimately than just chat. Nothing wrong with chat messages. It's just like an email. It's very efficient. Sometimes getting the tone is really helpful for building relationships. So let's get our dopamine. Dead brain. Oh, we're getting close to 60. I think we're going to cross 60 with this one. 62%. Keep pushing, friends.